This is the repeater pump tubing. All right, Kate, go ahead. Thank you.
All right, this is the repeater pump. So a couple of the things that we need to look at on the repeater pump are the power button, which is over here on the left side. And then there's 4 main buttons on the actual repeater pump that we're going to use. So the volume button, the speed button, the adjust button, and the start and stop. So first you're going to take your tubing. This is what the tubing looks like. You're going to open it up from the side gently. Your actual tubing spread out looks like this, so you have a side that has the spike on it and the thicker of the 2 tubing sizes. This goes on the left, the skinnier one goes on the right. You'll put it straight up and down like that, and then spin this so that it comes out on the other side. So you should have your thick tubing coming in, your skinnier tubing coming out, and then the squishy tubing right in the middle going around. After that, you can go ahead and close the top. Next, we're going to spike our bag. So we'll take the tubing, the thick side of the tubing with the spike is what we will use to spike our bag. This is either going to be a bag with drug in it. We're using saline for this. And you want to get it stable on there. Now the tubing itself has about 30 mLs within it of air. So first, perfect. So we can use our syringe tip connector. So first we're going to turn it on. And right now it's set to medium speed with 10 mLs of volume. But because this has 30 mLs in it, first we want to change it to 30 mLs so that we flush the entire line so that there are no bubbles. So everything is going to be a button, then you'll adjust, then you'll hit a button again. So volume, 30, volume. Medium speed is fine. Whatever you calibrate it with is the speed that you need to use to actually prepare your product. So we're going to keep it on medium speed the entire time. Then we'll hit start. And it goes through almost all the way, which is fine. What we're going to do next is put on a syringe. Now we want to start the calibration process. The first one is not going to have enough fluid because there's still some air in the line. That's okay, we'll calibrate it a few times. So volume, we'll change it to 10 mLs. We'll calibrate with 10. Volume, so button, adjust, button. Now that we've changed the volume, we'll hit start. It puts some in here. Like I said, there was going to be a bubble before. That's okay. So this will be our first actual calibration. You'll screw it on to the end. It's already set to 10, so you're just going to hit start again. For this one, it's a little bit past 10. If you can see, it's at about 11 mLs. So we want to tell the machine that what it actually pumped was 11, so that when we hit 10 for next time, it should be the correct number. Can I have another 20 mL syringe, please? So because that was 11, we're going to come over and adjust it. So we'll do adjust. 11 was what it actually gave us, and adjust again. So again, it's button, adjust, button. Now we'll hit start. Now it pumped about 10 mLs for us. So that looks correct. Now what we can do is show the pharmacist that this is 10 mLs and that it's calibrated for that amount. We're going to be using 10 mLs to reconstitute these vials, but you can use the repeater pump with anything that has a Luer top on it. So you can use it to put fluid right into a syringe with this, or you can use a vented needle to reconstitute a vial.
When the needle attached will be look like that.